Hi, I'm Dr. Nik Shekiladze, and I'm an interventional cardiologist here at Emory Healthcare. My job and my passion is helping people with heart conditions, whether it's opening up a blocked artery with a stent or repairing and replacing a valve. Seeing patients feel better almost immediately is incredibly rewarding. When I care for my patients, I want to have real, honest conversations. I want them to understand exactly what we can do, what to expect, and how we can work together to improve their heart health. And beyond procedures, I always encourage my patients to take care of themselves, exercise, eat well, and make heart-healthy choices. At Emory, we offer some of the most advanced cardiac treatments available, procedures that aren't widely offered anywhere else, not just in the Southeast, but across the country. Many of these innovations were developed right here at Emory and have gone on to change how heart care is delivered nationwide. Over time, those techniques and procedures spread out to other hospitals so they can do them as well. In complex coronary procedures, we have a team spearheaded by one of the most talented operators in that field, who trained many of us. It is incredible to be part of this team and offer these therapies to our patients. Another thing I love about working here is being part of an academic medical center. I get to train and mentor the next generation of interventional cardiologists, something that keeps me sharp and reminds me of the responsibility we all have to pass on what we've learned. In closing, I look forward to meeting you and starting our healthcare journey together at Emory.